Hey, in this video, I will show you how to add music or sounds to iMovie. It's the same thing on an iPhone and on an iPad. So if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, make sure you comment them down below, and I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. So you want to open up iMovie, obviously, and to add sounds, let's go to any project that we have. Click on Edit, and as you can see, we have sound, but we don't have music. We want to click on the plus sign, and the cool thing about iMovie is you have background sounds that you can use. They're there. So you click on Audio right here, click on Soundtracks, for example, and you can actually preview them by clicking on them. If you click the plus sign, you can add it and use it in your video. If you want to lower the volume, for example, you want to click on it so it's yellow, click on the volume bar right here and lower it. If you want to trim it, you click the scissors and you can split it, foreground it, delete it, and all that jazz. If this video helped you out, give it a like, and I want to see you in the next one.